Welcome back, everyone. I'm Naina again here on behalf of Archie and Olive, and today I thought that it'll be fun to make a fall wreath. So, if you're interested in that, just keep on watching. So, one of my favorite things to do ever is making wreaths. So, I don't need a specific season or a time to do it. I have a wreath for every season. And today I thought I'll share a fall wreath with you because I'm in love with these color palettes and I thought they will go best with a fall wreath. So let's get started by just gathering all the supplies that you will need. So using an Arch and Olive notepad, you can also do it in your journals. And I have some calligraphs, some acrylographs, and something to make circles with. And then I have this kneadable eraser, which I love, and I will show you in a moment why. So I start by drawing two different circles. So I'm gonna make a bigger circle, and then inside of that circle I'm gonna make a smaller circle. You can also make these circles by using any kind of plate or some small bowls for the smaller circle. And with this kneadable eraser, I'm just gently tapping on top of my pencil line so that they are a bit lighter and they're easy to get rid of after I'm done with my wreath. So I highly recommend using it. You can also do this trick by a normal eraser, and that's perfectly fine as well. I just have more control with the kneadable one. So now I'm gonna start sketching out my leaves. Before we start this, I quickly want to mention that I have two different printables for you that you can use. Please refer to that before you start here, because I know not all of us are into drawing and it can be frustrating sometimes. So just to make it a bit easier for you, I do have the printables that you can use and refer to. And if for some reason today you feel like doing it all by yourself, you have my full support too. So I'm just sketching out the whole wreath here, and then I picked out all the colors that I want to use. I'm mainly using the calligraphs, and I have the acrylograph for some tiny details. And there is a related blog post, so if you want to know which all colors I use precisely, you can head over to the blog, and I mentioned the names of the colors. And you can find the blog in the description below. Next, I'm using my kneadable eraser again slightly tapping on top of the whole design and getting rid of the harsh pencil lines. And here I did a little test of the colors, that trying few different combinations and kind of seeing what is looking good together. Moving on to using the brush pen, so I start by using the calligraph. So I'm gonna first start filling in all the big leaves, and I'm using this beautiful green. And for the bigger leaves, I'm just using the bigger size of the brush pen. So if you don't know, in calligraph you have one big brush tip and then there's one small brush tip. So I'm just swapping in between. When I have to work on more details, I work with the smaller tip, and when I have to fill in more colors inside, I use the bigger brush tip. Now you can use any pretty colors of your choice, but I was going for more of a fall theme, so I used these beautiful colors. Now, if you're interested in getting some of these amazing products for yourself, I have a discount code for you, and whatever you shop on Arch and Olive, you can use my discount code TwitcherRights for 10% off on archandolive.com. So after I'm done with all the bigger leaves, I'm going in and filling in all the small ones. Now I also improvise. You have to see how much you like your wreath to be. Sometimes we like it to be not too crowded. For me, I want to really pack it up, so I go in a lot of detail, but you can see where you want to stop or you want to add more. Talking about details, next I'm going to use my acrylographs, and I will go by outlining some of the bigger leaves and then adding more small leaves inside. So my idea was to take a little bit of help from me and still making a wreath which is your own. I think that will be very nice. And lastly, of course, we had to do some lettering. I chose these two beautiful words that I often hand letter almost everywhere, but I love it. So I'm just writing inhale, exhale. And I also sometimes write inhale, courage, exhale, fear. But you can write anything inside, even a name. I think that would be a wonderful gift as well. And that was all for today, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video and the process. I love making wreaths and I love sharing them with you. And please share yours with us. Thank you so much for watching today. We will catch you guys next time.